What's this? Maintenance 1, trip B. What the fuck? What's happening? Is it my 1000 km na? Alright, hello, it's me, Biker and Broke. So, as promised, once na makakuha ko na yung 1000 kilometers ko with my baby, Alexandria, gagawin ko yung review. Okay. So, here's what I've learned sa aking misadventures with this baby. First, the acceleration. Okay, before, every time na napupunta ako sa stoplight, andyan, syempre magla-line up yung mga motorcycles, right? And then, inisip ko, dahil mabigat ito, 400cc siya, and then it weighs around 160 kilos, something. Inisip ko before, mabagal yung acceleration niya, kasi mabigat siya. And then, ayun pala, natuto ako na mag-shift gear ng tama, na ayusin din yung pag-throttle. And then, I realized na kaya pala niya mag 0 to 8 kilometers per hour within 4 seconds. I don't know kung ano yung standards, hindi ko pa siya na-check, pero I think that's fast. Vroom, vroom. Top speed, nakalagay sa specifications ni Bristol na 147 siya, 45. Pero nung nailabas ko siya sa expressway, ayun nga, medyo accurate naman siya, nasa 145-ish yung top speed. By then, siguro natatakot na ako kasi yung lever, nanginginig na siya sa 145. Pero sabi sa akin ng ibang owners ng Bristol, we can remove the Euro 4 dito sa engine para mahihato pa siya ng 160. Pero for me, I don't need that fast naman. Hindi naman kailangan 160 lagi yung takbo. So okay lang, 140 is enough. 120 is fast for me na nga eh. And yeah, I'm satisfied. I'm very satisfied with this. With the top speed. Next is the looks. This baby, I fell in love with this baby once nung una ko siya nakita. With the looks, everything. Ang dami nagsasabi pwede kong palitan yung ganito itsura, palitan yung muffler, palitan yung upuan, palitan yung gulong, palitan yung tunog. But with the 1K na naitakbo ko sa expressway, sa service roads, private lots, mga high-end locations, I realized na yeah, I'm satisfied with it. Wala na akong kailangan baguhin pa. Yeah, wala na talaga. It's fair. And ayun, lagi na lang na may namumuna kung puna in a sense na anong motor yan, ilang cc, ang ganda, kung ano na pa. Oh, sige. Accept kita mamaya, tol. Okay, ingat. Thank you. Gas consumption and tank capacity. So, sa specifications ni Bristol, nasa 15 yung tank capacity niya. Pero with my experience, init dito. With my experience, it's around 12 to 13, I guess. Kasi pag na-empty na siya, talagang sobrang nawawala na yung blinker. As in, to sinusukat ko manually, parang nasa 1 liters na lang natitira. And then when I fill it up, full na siya by 10 to 12. Hindi pa nga ako lumalagpas ng 12. So, I guess nasa 13 to 12 lang yung ano niya, yung tank capacity. Sarado mong 475. Okay na yan. Dalawa.
Siya lang pinakamaganda sa kanilang auto. Siya yung tipong pwede mong iparata.
10 liters. So mini, laging may natitira 5 liters. With regards with the fuel consumption, gas consumption, nung dati, nung walwal mode ako, tsaka hindi pa ako marunong mag-shift ng tama on the right speed, I was running around 17 to 19 kilometers per liter. Pero nung natuto na ako, and then nung na-break in din siya, siguro we were running around 25 to 28 kilometers per liter. And I think that's not bad. It's a 400cc though, and 25 to 28, I think, I don't know, I don't have any motorcycles to compare it with kasi ito nga yung first ko. And for me, with my experience, riding experience, the speed and everything, I think okay na siya. I'm happy with it. The next is the ABS, the anti-bobo system, or the brakes. Yung ibang Bristol motorcycles, it's around 188 without the ABS, and you'll buy it with 208,000. So additional 20,000 for the ABS. For me as a beginner, yeah, I loved it. Ang daming instance na nagamit ko yung ABS. It saved me. The anti-bobo system. What's ABS? Wait, I have to look for it. ABS, anti-brake lock. Ano ka ba? The singit factor. Okay, paano kapag super traffic na and we have to do the singit? Yeah. Kung inisip nyo, malaki siya, mahirap siyang ipasok, isingit. Yeah, you're right. Dati, nung hindi ko pa masyado napapractice yung singit skills ko, ang hirap niya kasi ang bigat niya. Lalo kapag you have to support with your legs. Pero ngayon, nasanay na ako, it's easy lang pala. It's super easy lang. Oh shit! What is that? Fuck these people! How could they do that? Ah! Fuck! How can they make that kind of singit? Shit! Fuck you guys! You're so evil! How can they sing it like that? Sorry baby for making you daan here. I know you hate it, I know I hate it too, but fuck! There they are, doing it. I'd rather go in the second lane, rather here in Canal. I hate you people. Why are you ba't kayo gumagala ng ganitong oras? Gosh. Ayoko dyan. Ito ako. Up. And left. And up. I'm gone. Up. Now Now it's clear there. I hate it. I hate this. Fuck. Thank you. And I'm wearing well leather jacket on top of it. Oh, look at Kuya. Ang kas. Yossi. Duhay ang kas. Alright. Going to party on an angkas while smoking. Alright, that's great. But what the fuck? Yun talaga. Yun talaga. Baba na. Lakad ka na lang. 2 things na gusto ko ipakita sa inyo is my helmet. Okay, this helmet DIY lang yung camera mount ko. It works on this thing. I don't know what this thing is called, pero siya yung mga zip ties. And then sa loob, how do I keep this mabango para sa mga nag-aangkas, para hindi nyo ma-torture yung mga angkas nyo at hindi mahil? Use this one. Okay? Alright, ano siya? I got this. Wait. Hala, it's missing. Found it. Okay, eto siya. Aray. Ow. Ayan, okay. Eto siya. I found it sa tawag dito, sa Ace Hardware. It says, ano siya, parang slip-on na pampabango sa aircon ng mga car. One good thing here is, itong blue na to, tatanggalin ko to para sa inyo. Shit! Okay, bago. It's a slip-on, like this. So, ito yung pampabango, and then you can slip it sa aircon kapag kotse. Pero, good thing here is, itong mga to, you can remove it like this. You see? Like that. And then you can put it inside the helmet. Then, ayun, ang bango niya. As in, another factor kaya gusto-gusto ko nagmamotor is because of this one. Sobrang bango niya. Kahit anong usok sa labas, kahit katabi mo yung truck ng baboy or truck ng basura, you'll never smell it. Super fresh. I don't know the brand kasi natapon ko na yung mismong packaging niya. You just have to look it for yourselves, guys, okay? Pero promise, super helpful. Ang bango. Fresh. Dahil nabukas ko na siya, papalitan ko na yung akin. So, paano siya pinapalitan? You just pull it off like that. And then, I just sweep it like this. Then, bango. Okay. Next is a common problem ng mga motorcyclist vloggers. Yung namamatayan ng camera. Okay. Yep. I'll show you kung paano ko na-access ang unlimited recording powers. So, this is a Xiaomi version, I don't know, 2015. Basta ito yung lumang version ng Xiaomi and still works fine. Ito yung gamit ko since the first episode. There at the back, andyan yung charging port niya or the USB port. Put it here. And ito wala na tong battery sa loob. Kasi kapag may battery siya, every time na nakakalog, namamatay siya. So what I did is I put directly the power, then put it in this big surf bar. I mean power bank. But this is a 25,000, pero you can 10,000 is enough. 10,000 would be good for 2 days of recording. Kasi ito naman ang usual battery niya is nasa 100 to 250. And if you have 10,000, di ba? Ang dami na nun. And then the recording of this is in a loop video mode, so you won't have any issues with that. The recording was good for a full day and a half for 32 gig. Yun kasi yung maximum capacity niya. Pero yun nga, it's good for me kasi everyday naman pag-uwi ko, I just pull it out and then okay naman siya. Full day yun as in 24 hours plus 12, so math 36 recording hours. It's good for it. So you can use any other power bank 10,000, 15,000, it's good. You can just put it in your pocket or your jacket or your belt bags, and then you have this cool wire. I bought this in Miniso for 100 pesos ata or 130. But yeah, ito yung threaded version para matibay din siya. Then, puro ano lang siya, yung zip ties. So, yeah. How do I put it in? So, ayan. DIY lang din siya. And then, whoop, whoop. Just screw it up. And then, put it there. And then, yeah. Simple as that. You don't even have to buy those fancy camera mount. So, here you go. So, I have a good fresh air and a good security cam for my camera, for my helmet. So, kung tatanungin nyo kung sulit ba yung money for this baby, absolutely yes. And riding experience is just superb, especially this is one of my first. Nung una, ang dami kapalpakan, especially when you're nagbabacking ako or lumiliko ng mga tight corners. Mabigat siya, so hindi ako ganun kasanay. Pero, I'm happy na nakakuha ko to. And, so now, I'm a happy customer. So, yeah. See you around, ride safe. This is Biker and Bro. Ciao!